Pandas. 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 I got broads in Atlanta. Just don't lean in a Fanta. Pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Boy, oh boy, that news was icky. It did move very large. And if you have timed it correctly, you would actually be able to have made basically any account. But this little spike upwards gave me some problems. Definitely gave me some problems. But the news was crazy. And hey, it is what it is. Sometimes it happens. Good morning, guys. Low Man, good morning. Turtle Toes, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Wayne Bicknell, good morning. F Zen, good morning. Hugh talking about escaped a murderer. Whoa. All right. F Zen, good morning. Huey, good morning. One-third, good morning. Black Light, good morning. Alan Smith, good morning. Mike G, good morning. Yeah, news was very tricky. News was very tricky. I'll say that much. News was tricky. It got me. So we're starting at the counts again. I tried to trade the news on the counts, and it didn't work out. So we are starting again. And good thing though, pandas, because BBM80 was extended, and now we are continuing with the promo. And it just happens at a really good time because we can take advantage of it for the next news here. Daily chart. I should show a little spike down here. I'm curious to see what happens. This trap fails essentially and pushes down. I don't know. Not sure what happens here. Not sure what happens here. It's a little bit in the middle of nowhere, in my opinion. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Jeez, look at a 10,000 tick chart. That's just chaos. Overnight session. We have a trap though setting up here. Interesting.
$10,000 tick trap.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome, everybody. 5-minute chart. Interesting. We finally filled the gap on the 5-minute chart at the end of the day. Absolutely incredible move. Coming to the bottom of the trading range back to the top. Big push up and then just crashes down to fill the gap. You're thinking it was trying to fill the gap above, but actually fills the gap below. Just nasty. Nasty price action right there. That's disgusting. That's crazy. End of the day. Just crashes down like this. Wowzers. Wowzers. Okay. I'll be right back. Like I just asked, did I get a new webcam? Actually, the old one did start working. I had to configure some stuff. It's just weird that it stopped working all of a sudden. Good morning, everybody. Start a poll up.
Five-minute trap.
Market just opened. We're basically opening right at the previous day's close, which is nice because there's no gap to fill now. Mr. Bobo, good morning. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat with your location if you're comfortable, and also make sure you scalp that like button. This is a big push up here. Decent push up here. Fills that gap from yesterday, and it might be shooting up for the gaps above now. And also a trap trade on the 5-minute chart. This could be a bull trend day today, all day. Who knows? It's a big push up here. No entries. Big push up here. What's my daily chart look like? Interesting daily chart on this trend line. We got Big Mama right up here. Not too far away actually now already. Looking at the 5-minute chart, it looks like it's going to be bullish. It really looks like it's going to be very bullish. Where is this line coming from? Way back here. What is it? I probably forgot to update it. Got a gap here. Gap here. Believe it or not, we also have a gap here. There's a gap it actually didn't fill. Whoa, look at this bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Absolutely incredible. No entries whatsoever for me. I may just enter here. Incredible. What a move up. Just trying to find a long entry. Almost just want to buy at the 20 EMA. Going long here.
10,000 tick trap.
Right off the 20 EMA. First entry on a strong uptrend. It makes a perfect scalp immediately. Let's see if it can fill me here. Doesn't actually fill me though, unfortunately. Finally fills me. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy. Fills me on that first entry. Second entry. Shall we try again? Jeez. In this trade. Small risk.
$10,000 tick trap.
If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. All good. I saw the second entry long with a higher low setup. It's not really off the 20 MA, but I'm so eager to go long here. I don't mind taking that risk. It does reverse on me. I should be coming out break even here, but I'll come up break even. It did reverse on me, so I'm coming out break even. Okay. It might trap here, but unsure. This could be a makings of a strong bull trend day today. Could be very possible. Trap does trigger. It's creating a triangle at the moment. Just not entirely. It's not really a setup I take right there. Now it's a second entry long again. I'm definitely taking this. Sigma is terrible, but small risk. I like the context a lot here. Basically a failed breakdown of the triangle, bouncing off support again, looking for reversal, right? Most breakouts fail. Using that knowledge, that probability here. Now it looks a little dicey.
10,000 tick trap.
Don't know. Interesting. It's a bad looking signal bar, but the risk is still not the worst. I still like the context here. Inside bar. It's getting a little bit choppy. I really feel like this is a failed breakdown of this triangle. And we have a strong push up here. Let's try to ride it here. Risk is small as well. Thinking of a new high here. It could trap me. It could definitely trap me here. Let's get a decent push up. That'd be nice. Okay, strong bull bar, ending near its high. It's a good sign for me. No follow through, it's not good. Still holding on to this. Oof. Doesn't look good. I feel fairly strong about that setup. That's why I went in a little bit heavy, looking for a runner here. Looks like it's about to take me out, though. Looks a bit choppy now. I should be coming out break even again because it reversed on me. Unfortunately, coming out of that trade break even because it reversed. Just gonna get out if I can. The higher low setup, if you like it still, is a good setup here. But I gotta take the trade out. Once it reverses and gets me out break even, I'm out. And it's very choppy at this point.
10,000 tick
More
trap.
50-50. OII pattern on the 10,000 tick chart. OII pattern. Basically a bull flag. Big push up, flagging, OII pattern. OII, right? Outside, inside bar. Creating a triangle essentially. It's just a triangle. So this triangle is a little bit longer than I thought it was going to be. Something more along the lines of something like this instead. So I'm glad that I came up break even because now it's reversing again. Yuck. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Dante Matthews, good morning. Do you think that because news dropped early today that institutions have a better idea of what they are doing during the opening 15 minutes? I don't know. Actually, it's hard for me to say. I feel like news doesn't really do anything. Mwashi, good morning. Pushing down, so this is why I come out break even. If I had held this, I would have lost this. So the fact that I was able to have an opportunity to come out break even when it reverses on me, that's a gift. and it prevents something like this from happening. Plus, it started getting really choppy, so it just made the trade less and less attractive to stay in. We could still be in a strong uptrend though. Just hard to tell now. You know, a little more price action here.
$10,000 tick trap.
Okay, no idea what's happening still. It's like a failed breakdown here. Believe it or not, 5-minute chart is still bullish, right? We're above the 20 MA. Strong bull bar. Doesn't really end on its high, and we got no follow through, so we're still waiting to see what happens here.
5-minute trap.
A little more price action is needed to know what's gonna happen. If I had to choose a direction, I would choose long though. Good morning, guys. Frozen Motion, good morning. Milwashi, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Made 350 eval. Gonna quit while you're ahead. Alright. Sounds good. I thought we were going to have some clear direction today, but instead we started getting this triangle, making this a little bit confusing for us. It's a failed breakdown of the triangle. Usually when you have a certain, trend, if the trend breaks, if the pattern breaks the other way, the consolidation pattern breaks the opposite way of the trend, and that fails and reverses, typically it's a strong move with trend. If the reversal fails. Ooh, ugly looking signal bar. Let's try to see if we can bounce off that trend line, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get it. Just confusing, very confusing here. It looks like an uptrend still though. We're just beneath the 20 MA now. I can still shoot for it. Thoughts and prayers.
10,000 tick trap.
Thoughts and prayers here. Gonna need them. Definitely gonna need them now. No follow through. Strong bull bar. Oh, this is nothing. That's supposed to break out right there. Did absolutely nothing. Hooey. Making me a little bit nervous. It's gonna reverse on me, huh? So I got you short. Don't do that to me. Come on. If you do that, give me a trap. Leaning into this one. This traps, I'm leaning into it. Alright, in this trade. Yikes. Wowzers. Traps. It's gonna get me, huh? That was a really good setup. I may come out of the trade. Seeing the trap fails. Ouch, yeah. I mean, that's crazy. This is crazy. Crazy price action. This could bite me in the butt here. Or not. What in the world?
5-minute trap.
What? Leaning into my mistakes. Leaning into my mistakes. What? Oh, I should have came out break even. I actually had an opportunity to come out break even. I did it. Oh no, I should have came out break even. What am I doing? Oh, that's it. It's over now. It's definitely over now. Definitely over now. I don't see myself getting out of this. Ouch. Jeez. What in the world was that, pandas? That was crazy. Too much chop. I mean, I saw the trap and I was like, all right. And I could came out break even, but I didn't, even with the reversal. And that's why you come out break even when it reverses on you. Whew. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. This price action is absolutely insane right now. That's just crazy. Unbelievable. I still think it's gonna go up though. Second entry long on the 10,000 tick chart. Got my eye on the 10,000 tick. Jeez. I mean, I was committed to the uptrend here. And it just did some wackiness. Very wacky. Lots of chop. I thought we were gonna, I honestly thought with the failed breakdown of this triangle and then it reversing, going with trend, was a very high probability setup. And I decided to take it and I doubled my position up. Fortunately, it didn't work out, but I don't think it's that bad of a trade. But wow, just wowzers.
$10,000 tick trap.
Second entry long on the 10,000 tick chart. Coming back into the chop. That's what I want to see. Waiting for the setup here. Okay. I'm looking at the 10,000 tick chart. Second entry long. Off the 20 MA here. Okay, triggers. Looking for a one-to-one on the initial position, and let's see if we get a runner here. It's a one-to-one risk reward on the core part of the trade, and then we're gonna have a runner. See if how far the runner goes. It's just a second entry long, and plus it's coming back into this trading range, which I feel like is a good high probability price action, where you have this consolidation, it breaks down and then pushes back up into it, making you think it might come back up to the top, right? Basically creating a range here. It's 10,000 tick chart trade, and I'm going a one-to-one here on the core position, at least a one-to-one, right? And then trying to have a runner here. I may take a higher low for some quote-unquote free money. Free money trade. Let's see if we can get a higher low setup. I'd prefer if it just fills me, but if it gives me a higher low, I may enter. I mean, it's just a 10,000 tick second entry long off the 20 MA. That's all this was. Decent entry bar. I'm looking for a 1-to-1 on this. It looks good. Strong bull bar, right? 2 bull bars above the 20 MA now. I hate this. Why does it do this? Several seconds of a yellow pending order. Jeez, that took forever. And to move it, give it some lag. Still looking for my 1-to-1 here. Quote-unquote free money trade here. Higher low setup. Do not copy my trades. Obviously, do not copy my trades. Very obvious. Higher low doesn't look as good anymore. What's the worst that could happen? Okay. That's not good. What in the world is happening? This is definition of getting chopped up, huh? It's getting chopped up here. Classic chop. I just tried to get back to the top of the trading range here, but couldn't quite get there. Instead, it's a double top here. Wowzers. I mean, the 10,000 tick chart, good, nice looking entry bar here, or with some follow through. Good entry bar with some follow through on the second entry long. It doesn't quite give you the one-to-one, so maybe one-to-one was too much to ask for. I feel like it makes sense to go for a one-to-one here, but I don't quite get it, and it just reverses on me like this. Quite frustrating, what can I say? Very frustrating, actually. Now everybody gets stopped out here, almost. Jeez, all right. I'm sorry, market. It's like, it's personal now. It's become personal. I mean, I didn't want to make it personal, but the market's making it personal. Look at this strong bull bar, and then it's just absolute chop here. It comes all the way back down. Might try to hit the previous day's close here. Wouldn't be surprised if it did. Yikes. Jeez. All right, I'm sorry. I'm about to get bust these accounts. I have about $200 left of trailing threshold. Jeez. I mean, what a move up, and then just reverses 8 tops on me. Double top here. Jeez, what can I do? That's insane. That's insane. It's just insane. Okay. I see how it is. 10,000 tick chart. Try and go for that one-to-one. It fails and just gets me. That's all that trade was. It's just a one-to-one on second entry long on the 10,000 tick chart. I thought this chop would help me here, thinking that we'll come back. We did come back quickly into it, but it just traps and reverses here. Interesting. I don't know. Pandas, how you guys doing? I'm doing terrible. I'm about to bust this accounts. Hey, nice thing is BBM80 pandas. Hey, it's extended. It has been extended till the 27th, which is basically 2 weeks. And hey, might as well take advantage of it. Might as well trade aggro. Wowzers. What a trick. I mean, the 5-minute chart is just, that's wild price action. All that overlap. I could tempt a big mama here. Seems pretty overextended at this point. Yeah, this trade doesn't make sense. I can't take it. I still have some dignity left in me, pandas. Big pain today on the evals. Virtually have no trailing threshold left. I have a $200 left, a trailing threshold. I mean, this is just the definition of choppiness. I got chopped up. I really did get chopped up here. I mean, I got a nice second entry long, and that made me feel very confident. Like, okay, our longs are making money. Let's go long. And then went long here, skunked it. Long here, skunked it. And I felt like, all right, we got another big opportunity. Went long double position here with a trap, and went long again here, and takes me out. I mean, it goes up quite a bit and then takes me out. So it's just very tricky. It really tricked me. I mean, I just got chopped. A classic chop. Classic getting chopped up. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Am I looking for a second entry short is a question. Lower high setup here. I mean, this is decent strong downtrend. Question is that we've been choppy for so long. Are we out of the chop? Are we essentially gonna break down now? I don't know. Big Mama might trigger here. Okay. Almost inclined to take it. Interesting. No. Sure. Why not? Do not copy my trades. Oh, almost triggered. That would have taken me out right there. No! No! Why? Just pushed out. Oh my, that lag. Counts are busted, man. Darn. Darn, darn, darn. Oh man, this is not it. This ain't it. Today ain't it. I think I'm gonna take a break. Let's I don't know. I don't know if I can do this anymore today. This is wild. I'm like super on tilt, to be honest. I mean, this is the definition of tilt right now. I'm on tilt, like ultra tilt. Well, you know what they say. If you fail, start trading sim. Just get it all out. Get it all out while you can. Just get it out of your system, you know? Just get it all out of your system. Jeez, today ain't it, pandas. Today ain't it. Oh, wow. I mean, what can you do? Just a big mama. Just taking this big mama. Gosh, pandas. So frustrating. Just give it some room to breathe a little bit here.
$10,000 tick trap.
So frustrating. Let it breathe a little bit. my mood, current mood. My current mood right now. It's actually a good setup for a reversal here. I was trading evals earlier. Fortunately, this price action just chopped me up like crazy. I was trading aggressively too, so it just got me on all ends. This ain't it. I'm about to end this stream early. Just a little bit early, Panda. Sorry, today ain't it. I'm only human. I'm only human after all. Absolute Chad trading right now. I'm only in about how many contracts? 20, 20, 20, 60, 70, 80 contracts. That's it. Let's make a new low today, Panis, shall we? Let's make a new low today. That's our target. As long as we don't, on the 5 minute, make a higher high. We're looking for a new low, pandas. That's the strat today. That is the strat. Oh no, the trap trigger is on the 2000 tick. That's not good. That's not good. It's terrible. Solid negative $15,000. That's it. It's okay. We got over $1 million in capital here. I feel like Nick Airball playing poker. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, then good. If you guys don't know, Nick Airball is this guy. He's notorious for just losing tons of money. Oh, this is not eval. This is not eval. Evals are busted already. This is sim. Welcome to Patrick Weiland Trading. All right, pandas. That's enough tomfoolery. Yeah, let's end the stream. I'm done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm just done. Hey, BBM80. Take advantage of it while it lasts. I mean, this is not it. I'm so tilted. I'm so tilted right now. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9 o'clock for the pre-market, 9:15 for mainstream. Know that tomorrow there's news at 8:30. The PPI numbers, and it could be large, and it also is coupled with unemployment. So please be aware of that. I'll see you guys bright and early then. Sorry for a short stream. It's just not it. So I'll see you guys. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.